Hello students, now we are going to study about the Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, the letters of alphabets are used to represent the numbers. These letters are: letter I represents 1, letter X represents 10, letter C represents 100, letter M represents 1000, letter V represents 5, letter L represents 50, letter D represents 500. You might have seen these numbers in the wall clock, the bigger wall clock, and you might be knowing the numbers which are represented by these letters. For example, this number VI is 6, this number 1x is 9, this number XI represents 11. Now, how to represent the numbers using these letters? Note that in the Roman number systems, numbers are 1, 10, 100 and 1000 and 550 and 500. So using these 7 letters, we can represent the many numbers. Let us see how. To represent the numbers using the Roman system, in the Roman numbers, we have to follow 4 basic rules. The first rule is the repetition rule. What is repetition rule? A letter repeats its value that many times. A letter repeats its value that many times. What is the meaning of this sentence? If letter I is repeating 3 times, then 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. C represents the 100. So here 100, C is repeated 2 times. So C and C, that is 100 and 100, that will give 200. Here X 3 times, that is 10, 10, 10, 3 times, that is equal to 30. But note that following letters do not repeated. Following letters never repeated. That means letters representing 5, 50, 500 never repeated. One more rule, a letter can be repeated maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. So these letters never repeated, and these letters can repeated maximum 3 times. Second rule, the addition rule. What is the addition rule? If one or more letters are placed after another letter of greater value, if letters of smaller value are placed after greater value letter, then you have to add the amount. For example, VI means V represents 5, I represents 1, so VI represents 6. LXV, L represents 50, X represents 10, V represents 5, 65. Note that in VI we have the higher value compared to I. In LXV, L have the value 50, X have the value 10, and V have the value 5. So lower value letters are placed on right hand side and then they are added. The next rule, subtraction rule. If a letter is placed before another letter of greater value, subtract that amount of the letter which is placed before. For example, I is placed before V. So I represents 1, V represents 5. So answer will be 4. So IV represents 4. XC. X represents 10. C represents 100. So it is 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90. So the lower value letter can be subtracted from the higher value letter. Then it is placed before the letter of greater value. One more thing, the numbers of the power 10, that is 1, 10, 100, 1000 can only be subtracted. That means I, X, C, M can be subtracted from the higher numbers. The letters with the value 5, 50, 500, that is V, L, D, cannot be subtracted from any other number. So these numbers will never be subtracted from any other number, from any other letter. So in brief, the letter of the lower value can be subtracted. For that, it has to be placed before the letter of greater number. The letters with the power of 10, that is 1, 10, 100 and 1000, I, X, C, M respectively, can be subtracted from the higher numbers. Do not subtract, never subtract the letters with value 5, 50 and 500, that is V, L and D. There are some more rules of subtraction. Repeated subtraction rule. Only subtract one number from another. So repeated subtraction is not allowed. For example, 13. 13 cannot be considered as 15 minus 1 minus 1. 1 is repeated 2 times. So 15, that is X, that is XV, and we subtraction is 1, I and I. So this combination is invalid. So what is the correct combination for 13? So X and 3 times I gives the 13 in the Roman numericals. So repeated subtraction is not allowed in Roman numerals. Then do not subtract a number from one that is more than 10 times. That means you can subtract 1 from 10, but we cannot subtract 1 from 20 because 20 is greater than 10 times of 1. So this rule, according to this rule, I is equal to 1 can be subtracted from V and X only, and X is equal to 10 can be subtracted from L and C only. You cannot subtract X from M. If you try to subtract the X from M, so this is invalid combination because X means 10, M means 1000. So it is 10 times 1000, it is 100 times greater, and in short we can say that X can be maximum subtracted from C, L and C only. It cannot be subtracted from 1000 because 1000, that is M, is 100 times greater than X. So using the subtraction rule, we can write many combinations in the Roman numericals. there is one more rule, that is 1000 times rule. Suppose a bar is placed on the top of the letter or the string of the letters, then that value of that numerical increase by 1000 times. For example, XV represents 15. X means 10, V means 5, gives 15. But if you place the bar over XV or XV like this, then its value is 15,000. So using these 4 rules, we can write the different letters in the Roman numericals. Let us try few numericals. Let us separate the basic letters first. That is I. Let us try to write the numbers from 1 to 100. This is 1, 2, 3, then comes the 5, 4 and 5. Note that how 4 is written. 4 is written as 5 minus 1. 5 means V, 1 means I. Means it is represented as I before V. So here I subtracted from V. Then how 6 is written? 6 is written as 5 plus 1. So it is I should be placed after V. So VI. Then 9. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. So I has to be subtracted from X. That is 9. Let us consider the weaker number 14. How 14 is written? Now we have the combination I, X, V. Now it can be represented as 14. 14 can be represented as 10 plus 4. So it is 10 is represented as X and 4 is represented as IV. Now 15. You can think of the 15 as 20 minus 5 and 10 plus 5. Which combination will be correct? 20 means XX and 5 means V. So you might be thinking 15 can be represented as V, that is 5 is subtracted from 20. But this is invalid combination because here we are subtracting the V. So according to the subtraction rule, we cannot be subtracted from any number. So this is invalid combination. Recall that V, then L and D cannot be subtracted. So this is invalid combination. So correct combination means 10 plus 5. 10 means X and V means 5 means V. So 15 can be represented as XV. So using the 4 rules that we have discussed, we have to make the different combination for writing some Roman numbers. Let us try a few more numbers. Let us write 73. How to write 73? 7, 3. Now you might think it can be represented as 70 plus 3, or you might be thinking it can be represented as 100 minus 30 then plus 3. Let us try this combination 70 plus 3. 70 means again 50 plus 20 plus 3. Now 50 can be represented as L, 20 can be represented as XS, and 3 can be represented as 3i. Now letters are added, the letters of lower values are added after the greater letter or letter with the greater value. So it seems correct, but then why it is incorrect? Why it is incorrect? If you try to write the 70, that is 100 minus 30, and you are considering 100 minus 30, then for 30 first consider the 100 is C, and then you have to subtract x 3 times. So repeated subtraction is not allowed in the Roman numerals. So this is invalid combination. So this is invalid. So using the 4 basic rules of Roman numericals, we can write different letters. You can visualize these numbers and try to guess which method is used to write the Roman numericals. Thank you, students.